How to increase Cash App loan limits. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to increase Cash App loan limits. First, open the Cash App mobile application. You will land on the home page of the app just like you can see here. Next, go to the bottom where you will see different icons. From them, tap on the bank icon. It is this icon that appears here. This is the money section of Cash App because you will find different options here that are related to money. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Come to this section and then tap this option here named Borrow. This is the borrowing page of the Cash App, where you will find options related to Cash App loans. Normally, you will see the loan limit you have here. As you can see here, the limit has just been increased, and this can happen for several reasons. I will show you how you can also increase your borrowing limit. Tap on the info icon that appears here. After that, this page will appear where you will see a menu with very important information. This is the total amount you can borrow. It may change based on several factors, including whether you pay off your loans, if you have any, and also how much money you deposit into Cash App and keep there. So make sure when you take a loan from the Cash App, you repay it on time. This will build trust, and in turn, your loan limits will be increased by the Cash App. Also, make sure you keep a good amount of money in your Cash App balance to show you can afford to repay loans. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to increase Cash App loan limits.